Toy Talk and Kid Adventures with Nicholas and James. Hi everybody. So today we're at the Nickelodeon Resort in Punta Cana. Can you do me a favor a second and smash that like button and just go subscribe? Well, let's go check it out. Checked in and I'm drinking slime.
How is it, James?
Good. So we're at a hotel room, where I was saying. You should go bathroom. And you're wondering, where's the toilet? It's in here. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, there's a shower right there. Oh, there's a mini safe with some clothes. And look, it even has like if someone's to get back in there, this cover goes over and has like pretend like SpongeBob's clothes. And then over here we have another of these, and we have some food, and then we have a mini fridge. Snack attack. So we got some Coca-Cola Sprite. And then over here we got, okay, this is really weird. But in this shell, it's a fake shell, and there's not like all the space. But when I do this, okay, maybe you can hear it.
And James, this is a pull-out couch that maybe you could sleep on.
Is it? Let me see. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yep, I think you gotta flip the handle up. Flip it up and then pull.
Oh, well, you usually have to put it down. Okay, and here's Nicholas. And we have to get in. Wait, I have to take this off to get in.
No, you don't.
I do? It's waterproof? Okay.
How about your glasses, though?
Oh, yeah. So I'm just like, what's a beautiful day. Oh, just so you know, I'm like totally dry right now. So, what's a beautiful day. Ah! Let's go check out the pineapple house. Look, we have Gary's bowl of food, and then we have SpongeBob's TV, and there's a couch, and there's a little table with shisha on it. Then we have like this baby house, because you wouldn't want someone just living there. And we have this big kind of like, it's really big, you get your own private there too. What does that say on like with the swing seats, and then the nose shot. Bye. See you later. Hey Chris, I saw this hut's slime. And look at the green water. But look at all this water, normal water coming out. And there's also normal water coming out of that because they want to wash all this slime. And look at that. I'm at this really big cool called the nipple, and you can grab one of these
$50, 30 minutes. And if you don't know what this is, it's a thing where you push this down and it starts to move. Well, it's fast underwater. Try to see me underwater, okay?